Plants are incredibly important organisms of the kingdom. Plants are multicellular organisms which has the amazing ability to make their own food from the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Plants provide the basis for food web. So I am here to explain you the easy steps of planting. Here are the requirements. You need a pot, the plants which you want to plant, then the garden soil and the organic manure. First I'll show you the pot mix. Take 60% of garden soil and add 40% of organic manure to that. Then mix that well. Then take a pot with a drainage hole in it at the bottom of it. Then take a stone, then place it here. Then place the mixed thing in this. Here I have taken the mint cuttings. Mint is especially known for its soothing on the stomach. So take the 2 to 4 inches mint cuttings. Take 10 to 15 mint cuttings. Then place it 1 to 2 inches deeper inside this mix, like this. And before placing it, make sure that you remove this downward leaves so that the leaves emerges there and you will have nodes there, like this. Like this, I have placed 3 to 4 mint cuttings. Then water it thoroughly. Place this pot in a bright lighted area but not in the sunlight. After 10 to 15 days, you can see the leaves emerging out of it and the new cuttings are out of it. So from this, let's root each other and let's see the growth of each other. Thank you.